kids. Welcome back to the second episode of Curious Questions. Curious Questions is a YouTube series launched by One Life Experiences where we answer questions that our young champs usually have around common topics. On today's session, we will talk about Unity Day. Unity Day is celebrated across the country on the 31st of October. Let's see what we can learn about this day and what unity is about. When is the National Unity Day? The National Unity Day is celebrated on 31st of October 2020. Who is Sardar Vallabhai Patel? Vallabhai Jawaherbhai Patel, popularly known as Sardar Patel, was an Indian politician. He served as the first Deputy Prime Minister of India. Why is Sardar Patel known as the Iron Man of the India? His commitment in the newly independent country was uncompromising, earning him the sobriquet, the Iron Man of India. What are the teachings of Sardar Patel? There is a lot. We can learn from the Iron Man of India, but his three main teachings are integrity, equality, and character. Where is the Statue of Unity situated? The Statue of Unity is situated at Sardar Sarovar Dam in Kewadia, Gujarat. What is the height of the Statue of Unity? The height of the statue is 182 meters. Statue of Unity is the tallest statue in the world. Why was the Statue of Unity built? The Statue of Unity is built in dedication to Iron Man Sardar Vallabhai Patel, who served as the first Home Minister of independent India. What is unity? Unity is being together or at one with someone or something. This is a word for togetherness or oneness. What is the importance of unity? Unity is needed for survival. As we all know, unity protects us from all the evil doings. Hence, we people should help each other and together we should fight and face the evil and negative things. When we together stand, only then we get freedom from all kind of negativity. How can we practice unity? One can practice unity in many ways. Some of them are: draw a picture of your united family. Notice and draw many different faces. Make a friendship collage and friends of all ages. Find some examples of unity among plants and animals. Thank you.